Good afternoon. I'm here to present the 2016-2017 end of the year report for the Burlington High School athletic program. This school year was a very successful year for many of our athletic programs. I want to first start off by recognizing and thanking the coaching staff within the athletic program for all of their leadership throughout the year. We couldn't have had such a successful athletic program without all the help from the coaches. We are very thankful to have a team of coaches that are experienced and passionate about the sport in which they coach, which helps make our opportunities in athletics fun for our student athletes. This school year, we offered 4 sports in the fall season, including football, women's swimming, volleyball, and cross country. We had 9 sports in the winter and spring season, including men and women's basketball, men's swimming, wrestling, men and women's soccer, men and women's tennis, and track and field. This year was also a unique year. It was the first year that the sport of bowling was added to our athletic program in the spring, increasing the winter and spring season sports from offering 8 athletics to 9. And then we also had baseball and softball during the summer months as well. The athletic program overall had 7 winning records out of the sports mentioned above, out of those 15 sports. These sports with the winning records included the women's volleyball team, the women's basketball team, wrestling, men's soccer, girls tennis, track and field, and baseball all had winning records for their seasons. Our student athletes were outstanding throughout our program. We had 14 state qualifiers in a variety of our sports. We had 4 all-conference athletes and 3 weight class champions in the sport of wrestling. 10 student athletes qualified for the annual Drake Relays for track and field, and 13 students that participated in an athletic program had a perfect 4.0 GPA. In addition to the excellence of our student athletes, they're displaying throughout the conference. 4 student athletes were awarded the Sportsmanship Award from the Iowa High School Athletic Association. So this is a huge accomplishment for these student athletes to be recognized for their sportsmanship, and also provides a positive image at Burlington High School as well. We had tremendous team accomplishments throughout the year, along with successful fundraisers that supplemented our athletic program. Overall, it was a great year for the Burlington High School athletics, and we are looking forward to what the next year brings.